Welcome back, guys. Today I'm going to show you how to make a coconut trout with some callaloo rice, Jamaican callaloo rice. First, you're going to start off with a hot pot. Pour some oil. You're going to make sure your pot is hot. Then you're going to sear your trout on both sides. I usually do 30 seconds to a minute on a hot pot. Make sure it's golden brown. Turn it and you're good. Then you're gonna saute your onions, ginger, garlic, diced tomatoes, thyme, bay leaf. Give that a stir. Add some pimento seed to it as well. Give that a cook. Add your coconut milk. And you can add your powdered seasoning, some salt, pepper, all-purpose seasoning, some paprika. Stir that all in. I like to put a pinch of habanero in there as well. Once you bring that to a simmer, then you add your fish back to the sauce. Just use a ladle, just pour some of the sauce over it, make sure it's covered. Then you just cover your fish and let it simmer. Now in another pot, start with a hot pot again with some oil. I'm gonna pour some rice in there. I usually use Jasmine Rice. Give that a nice stir. Toast your rice a little bit. Once that is done, I'm gonna add some Jamaican Cock Soup or Jamaican noodles to it. I use the powder and the noodles. Just stir that in, get that all nice and toasty. Then you can add either your chicken stock, water, vegetable stock, whatever you desire. Once you add that, stir it all up, incorporate everything. Bring it to a boil, then you add your callaloo to it. I'm using canned callaloo. You can use fresh callaloo, or if you guys don't have callaloo, you can use spinach. Add some butter as well. Stir that all in. Cover your pot, bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, then you just lower your flames and bring it to a simmer. Once it's done, your rice should be nice and fluffy. Reheat your fish, cover it with your sauce, and then we're gonna get ready for plating. Just cup your rice, put your fish on the plate, pour some sauce over it. If you like a lot of sauce or less sauce, it's up to you. And then I just do some sliced avocado and some sliced tomato. And there you go, guys. Coconut trout with some Jamaican callaloo rice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.